All right, so welcome. So this is the beginning of the whole 50 Python exercise and how to run it and the whole video of it. So this is the part one. Now, the first thing is after downloading it, after making payment and you download, you need to open it. So I'll right click like this. Now I'm using WinRAR. So it's like this because I have a WinRAR. Okay, it's like this because I have a WinRAR. So what I want to do is I'll right click, and then once I right click like this, it will come. You can see this extract all. If you don't want to have WinRAR, you can go to your Google and search for WinRAR, and you can download WinRAR. Right now I'll come here and extract all, and it will now extract to a folder. Okay, to now extract it to a folder carrying the same name as the file. Right now, once it has been extracted, and inside it you can now see the 50 Python exercise and the data set that we are to analyze. Now what I want to do now is to now open my Jupyter notebook. Now if you don't have Jupyter notebook, you can let me know. I will send you a link of how to install, and that video contains how to set it up and get started. So what I'll do, I'll come here and then open a command line like this. And then once I open the command line, what I want to do next is to run my Jupyter notebook. Because I've already have it installed, I'll just type Jupyter. I'll just type Jupyter like this, and then notebook, and hit enter. So this will now run the Jupyter notebook. Once you type like this, you ensure that you must have Python installed, you must have Jupyter installed before you can run Jupyter notebook. So once it's up like this, what I want to do next is it will take me to the browser. Right, once the browser open automatically like this, you now wait for it to load. Okay, and once it has finished loading, it will come up. It will show you all the files in your system like this. So what I want to do is I'm going to create a new folder. I'll create a new folder and I'll call it 50 Python. Okay, you can name your own anything, but I just want to create a folder. Now the reason for creating this folder is so that anything that we do, anything that is inside here will now be what we are going to work on. All right, and it become easy to read our CSV file. Right, so if I go to download folder now, so inside this folder now, I can so you can see that I'm inside the download. This is where the 50 Python exercise is, right? So I can just open this. Alright, so you can see there's PDF here and there's the data set. Okay, so what I want to do is I'll just use this folder. Alright, I'll just use this folder. I don't need to go anywhere again. Alright, so inside this folder now, I'll now come here and click on Python 3 here with IP kernel here like this. I'll click on it and then I'll start a new kernel where I'll run my code. Right now, once it opens like this, the next thing you want to do is to open your 50 Python exercise like this. So I want to open the PDF. Okay, so you can see that the what we have opened is already opening there. So I'll just open this. Okay, sorry, it's the exercise, not the file. Alright, so let's open. So remember I said PDF, so I'll come here. Alright, so and then you should be able to load now. So here we are. Alright, so now here, this is our kernel. Our kernel is currently running, and there are different ways you can run a kernel here. You can play install pandas, numpy, and matplotlib keyboard, which is what we are using. So if I come here now, I can now come here and click this it. I told you that there are two ways you can run it. Either if I click on this play button, you will now wait a little and see how a bunch of output will start displaying, right? Um, so if I go back to my document, okay, so same requirement already met because I have it installed. Alright. So if I don't have it installed, it will tell me that so I already have all of this installed. Now let's move on to the next one. And this is how you continue it. Okay. This is how you